How's it going, friends? I hope you had a great weekend. I certainly did, but somehow I didn't feel relaxed after it, and right now I'm doing some more relaxing. I mean, I worked from 5 to 10, and after 10 o'clock I just didn't feel like it, so I turned off my phone and my Skype, my mail program, everything. Made myself a nice coffee, had a cigarette, then turned on the PlayStation and had 3 hours of solid fun. And I mean, I already worked 5 hours today, focused, concentrated effort, which is more than most people can say about their working days. And the point is, it's all about balance. We are not machines, and that is why I love this job so much. I can really do what my mood tells me to. I don't have to force anything. If I wake up in the morning and I want to work, then I work for 12 hours straight. If I don't want to work, then I go take a walk for 3 hours, or go to the supermarket and cook something, or whatever. I mean, you can do whatever you want with your time as long as you get your work done, and as long as you work more than the others. That's the point. You have to work more and you have to be more effective and more efficient, as I said before. However, you don't have to force yourself to do something if you don't feel like it. And now, of course, if you're a day trader, you have to show up each day at the same time and deliver. If you are trading 4-hour charts or daily charts, it's a bit more relaxed. If you are trading weekly charts, you only look at the charts on the weekend, that is fine too. Whatever works for you. Because for me, I can never work 100% steadily. I work in bursts of creativity. I sit down and I work for 20 hours and then I'm exhausted for 2 days and I don't want to do anything. That's just how my brain works, and it was always a huge nightmare when I was working in an office that I had to basically force myself to be productive and creative during from this time to this time each and every day, and it's just not working. Not for me. And I think I'm not the only one. I mean, I might be. It's all about knowing yourself, balance, introspection, testing different lifestyles, seeing what works and what doesn't. What makes you happy, what makes you depressed, how do you feel in the evening after working, and then you just move forward doing it like that. On another note, a movie about sodomy won Best Picture, so 2018 is starting out nicely. And tomorrow we are flying to Poland, so I have to ride my 20 years old car. Actually, it's 20 years old now. It survived at least 10 girlfriends and 100 road trips. I mean, when I bought it, it was already 8 years old, and I've been driving it for 12 years now. I mean, whenever I'm in Germany, and if I'm not in Germany, my mom is driving it, and it's quite funny because it's full of heavy metal stickers, and it's just a very great fit for a middle-aged lady. Anyway, I have to drive this car to Frankfurt tomorrow, to Rolf's place. I'm gonna park around there, and we take a taxi to the airport. We fly to Poland. To be honest, I have no clue about the schedule there. I'm just gonna do what I always do, knowing nothing and looking awesome. So if you are on that expo, fxcuffs.com. I just noticed CUFFS could stand for see you for fuck's sake. I was always wondering what that name meant. But anyway, as I said, if you are at this expo, let me know. It would be fun to connect with a few of you. Not all of you, just a few. What else is happening? Well, I did some analysis on my Edgewonk trading journal database, and I found out that most of my trades, as I'm a breakout trader, most of my trades that close above a pattern or a level on the weekly chart have a much higher chance of follow through. So if I filtered out all the trades I took on a daily chart and all the trades I took on a Monday after I close above a certain level on the weekly chart, I get a lot less trades. My average profit per trade increases, which makes my system more robust actually, and would allow me to scale up faster. And at the same time, I wouldn't spread so thin. I would be much more effective at managing my portfolio. So I'm contemplating right now moving up to the weekly charts actually, and only scanning charts on the weekend, because I still get enough setups Looking at global stock markets, there are 5 to 10 setups easily every week, no matter whether we are in a bear or a bull market. Although I really prefer bullish breakouts with this strategy. But hey, that is just something I'm contemplating right now. For now, I won't make any changes, but I will definitely observe the situation and draw a conclusion later this year. Not much else to say, as I'm quite lazy today, because the next 6 days are gonna be very action packed, I think, and I'm gonna prepare for that by being grateful in bed with a beer. So I hope to see some of you at FX. See you for fuck's sake. So until then.